And my name is Hanna. I'm 9 years old. I live in Camden City. There are 4 people in my family. My dad, my mom, my brother, and me. And I like blue. I do like pink. Hello.
Hello, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Okay, Hannah, tell me, what transport do you see on the ground?
I can see lorry, bus, train, and motorbike.
Okay, and what transport can you see in the sky?
I can see helicopter and plane.
Perfect. What are these?
These are if traffic light is look left, right.
Okay. What are the safety rules when you see a red traffic light?
Stop. Don't run. Don't cross.
What are the safety rules when you see a green traffic light?
Work. Look left, right. Listen. Don't run.
What are the safety rules when you are on the road?
Work on the pavement. Don't play near traffic. Don't run. Don't walk on the road.
Very good. Can you tell me what are the safety rules when you are on your bike?
Wear a helmet. Look left, right. Don't drive on busy road. Don't listen to music.
Okay. What are the safety rules when you are on the bus?
Wait in safe place. Don't run on the bus. Don't shout. Don't talk. Driver.
Don't talk to the driver.
Don't talk to the driver when he's driving.
Okay. What are the safety rules when you are in the car?
Wear seat belt. Don't play in the car. Use the door next to the pavement.
Very good, Hannah. Okay. What season is it?
It's spring.
How is the weather?
It's rainy, warm, and cool.
What can you see in spring?
I can see baby animals and new flowers.
And what can you do in spring?
Is climbing flower. Planting flower.
Plant.
Plant.
Okay. What season is it?
Is summer.
How is the weather?
Is hot.
What can you do in summer?
Is flying. I can't flying on the beach.
I can fly a kite on the beach.
I can't fly a kite on the beach.
Can.
I can't fly a kite on the beach.
Okay.
I can't swim.
I can.
I can't swim. I can't eat ice cream.
Okay. What do you wear in summer?
Is t-shirt and short. I wear is t-shirt and short.
I wear t-shirt and shirt. Okay?
I wear t-shirt and short.
What season is it?
It's autumn.
Autumn. How is the weather?
It's cool.
What can you do in autumn?
I can have a picnic.
Go for picnic.
Go for picnic and play badminton and play tennis.
What season is it?
It's winter.
How is the weather?
It's cold.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear snowman. I wear jumper, club and hat.
Okay. What do you like to do in winter?
I like sleeping and painting a picture.
Good. Okay. Would you like a coconut?
Yes, please.
Would you like a lemon?
No,
Thanks.
thanks.
Would you like to pick some strawberries?
Yes, please.
Would you like to feed the duck?
Yes, please.
Would you like a pepper?
No, thanks.
Okay. Can you tell me about the picture?
Yes, last night they were in the living room. They were happy. Dad and Mom was hungry.
Okay.
Yesterday, Nina and her mom, they was in the kitchen. They were in the kitchen. They were happy.
They were happy.
They were happy. Yesterday, Bill was in the bedroom. Bill was tired. Yesterday, Nick wasn't at home. Nick with grandma.
Nick was with grandma.
Nick was with grandma.
Okay. Can you tell me where were the books yesterday?
They were on the table.
Where was the towel?
It's not in the living room.
It was not in the living room.
It was not in the living room.
Okay. What has your city got?
My city had got skate park and theme park. Theme park. My city hasn't got aquarium and zoo.
Okay. Tell me about David's last weekend.
In the morning, he visited the zoo. He visited the zoo. When he visited Art Gallery, then he visited the gallery. Next, he went bowling alley. In the afternoon, he visited theme park. He stayed campsite.
He stayed at the campsite.
Yes, stayed at the campsite. In the evening, he watched concert.
Tell me about the voice, Hanna.
Close, glue, sleep. Oh, home, nose, you, cute, tune. I, white, mice, rice. E, weekend, tree. B, A, make, lake, plane.
Very good. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Ok,
Oh my goodness.
4 giờ rồi.